Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these little minis or little babies of After the Rain, which is in another video. And I've been really trying to figure out where in my house I'm going to display these smaller pieces all at once. I tried other things and they don't work very well. I can't hold all four at the same time, so I'm hoping that this is the best scenario. And I really like making these little pieces. They're super fun. They're bright and airy, and after the rain, obviously the sprouts are coming up and the greenery is so amazingly beautiful. So I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you after. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed my video and got the feel of the spring and all the wonderful things that happen in the spring, the birth of all the foliage and the birds and everything else. I appreciate you watching my videos. Until the next time.